Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix can't type it on Germany keyboard. Click Start, Settings. Click Time and Language, click Language and Region, click Language Options. Make sure German keyboard is added under Keyboards. Click Time and Language, click Typing, click Advanced Keyboard Settings. Make sure German in Use Language List. Open Notepad. Click Start, Settings, click Accessibility, click Keyboards, turn on on-screen keyboard. Press Caps Lock. Press Alt and Q keys. 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 I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.